In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best Vistaprint discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Vistaprint discount code. Right here, scroll down a little bit until you should be able to find this website, which is called retailmino.com, and open it. And right here, as you can see, we have a list of different type of promo codes that we can use to get a discount. So for example, if you want to get this one with 25% off for the new customers, all you need to do is simply tap on this promotion right here, and this is the promo code. You can copy this one from right here. You can simply tap the copy button and you can apply this promo code in order to get a discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this couponfollow.com website, and as you can see, we also have some promotion right here that we can use. For example, if you want to get this one with 15% of your next purchase, simply select this promotion from right here, and this is the promo code. You can tap right here to copy the promo code, and you can apply this one on your next purchase to get a 15% discount. So this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.